In this video, I will show you how to see your PayPal password. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, if you want to see your PayPal password, maybe you've forgotten what your password is to log in, then most browsers now do have a built-in password manager, which does save passwords if you've chosen to do so. You can actually use this password manager to view saved passwords, and I'll be showing you how to do this today on Google Chrome, but the process is very similar for other browsers like Mozilla Firefox and Microsoft Edge. However, to do this on Google Chrome, what you want to do is come up to the top right hand corner of Google Chrome and click onto the three dots. From here on this menu, you want to hover over the passwords and autofill option, and on the sub menu that comes up, you're going to see we've got an option for Google Password Manager. Give that a click, that's going to take you to a screen like this, and from here what we want to do is look for the PayPal website. So you can either scroll through the list of websites with saved passwords, or alternatively use the search box at the top, type PayPal, and that should locate paypal.com. Once you found paypal.com, give it a click, and what it's going to do is show your password. So for myself, I've actually got a pass key, which is slightly different to a password. Basically, it's just a key where I enter a PIN, which is going to log me into PayPal. But if you don't have a pass key, you have a password, you're going to find information here on what your password is. If I show you this for another website, for example, so you can see how it works, so let's choose another website. Let's go for Asda. You can see this one I've got a password set up for, and to see your password, you just simply click onto this icon of this eye, which says show password, and once you've done that, it's going to show you your PayPal password. So that is how to see your PayPal password. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.